Welcome everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today, as you can see from my screen and the title, we're gonna try to play a game which is called Tiny Room. It's connecting to play games right now. It's just called Tiny Room. Let's see, of course we have to create an ID. I will do it. I will not do it now. So let me tell you about this actually. There's nothing like a good mystery to really snag your attention to keep you worried. And Tiny Room Stories Town Mystery, which this game is just qualifies as a good mystery, they say. And you play as a detective who returns to his father's town only to find it completely deserted. And it's your job to find out what happened using all your detective skills to explore fairly interactive 3D levels crammed with fun puzzles and clues. That's my job. I always wanted to be a detective. It's my time to show my talents. And essentially a mix of escape rooms and guests, and this is the game to scratch any mysterious itch, which that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna choose my account and let's see how we're gonna no cinematic threat. Why would you call me that? I'ma call myself the got that. Automatically sign into games. Okay, create. No. This is nice, to be honest. I'm not a witch, I would like to be one. But this more looks like me. Let me just go with this, yeah. Create. I'm so excited. So excited. Let's see what we will see here. Okay, so we will play city map early board up for. So let's go and click play. You are a private detective having received a letter from your father in which he asks you to come urgently. You went to a nearby town. What could have happened to him? It turned out that the road to the city was blocked by a traffic control barrier. We're gonna tap on the barrier and need to find a remote control. Okay, tap on the door. It's not opening. We're gonna select the item, tap on the door. Okay, we can rotate locations. To do so, we're gonna swipe from left to right or vice versa. It means this, I guess. That's good, to be honest. I need to turn it off first, but how do you turn it off? How do you turn it off, really? I'm actually trying. Let's go for a hint. As you can see, we have this hamburger menu here, and we will hint. Do you want to watch a video for access to walkthrough of this chapter? No. So return the main menu. Yeah. No. Let's keep playing. It didn't give us a hint. Why not? I don't know. It just looks. I need to. Okay. Now we're gonna repair it. Yeah, I'll get it. It's broken, so okay. At least it's not gonna make scene anymore here. Oh. Nothing? Can I take oh, there's a password. Okay. We have this. What is it? It's like go. Okay. I'll keep that in mind. Almost a month ago. Okay, there's not much over here. But why couldn't I find anything? Oh, we're gonna go on. You know why? Because I actually did it and now it should work. But we couldn't find it. But there's no power. Okay. Okay. Now we got two tools. We're going to repair them. Okay. Alright. Now, it seems fun, isn't it? At least I will try to, like, pass this one to show you guys. So, even this one is empty. Okay. Alright, we had the password here. So it's saying 2 1 and 3 4. Let's see. 2 1. I think it's 2 1 and then 3 4 2. 2 1 3 4 2. It could be like this. 2. I don't know. Okay. Right now I cannot seem to understand why. I need to give some time to figure it out. Really? See? I didn't understand. What it? Okay. 1 3 4 2 back. Okay. 1 1 3 4 5 2. Okay. 1 3 2 5 2. Guys, I cannot seem to be doing this. Really? So I'm just gonna leave this here for now because I'm gonna kick this game. I'm gonna hit this game in a very stops that it will be like, you are the best player. For now, I couldn't break the code. I will try, but I cannot keep you guys here. So if you like this video and if you have questions and if you think the answer might be this or that, please let me know in the comments so I can just come back and do what I can do, because I couldn't do anything. So let's just exit for now. Let's back to menu. Yes, or we can restart the chapter, but I'm not gonna do that. We have their settings. You can do graphics, low, medium, high, sound, language. You can do everything, and pretty easy. Interface is pretty easy, as you can see. I don't know, this town mystery might kill me, might give me a heart attack, so I'll just leave it for now. If you guys like this video and would like to play this game, and please let me know what's the password, okay? So see you guys. Liking my videos is making me happy. Please go and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I know you did, but in case you didn't, go hit that button too, so I can see you guys in my next video.